A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. Once upon a time, there was a dog who was roaming around the village in search of food. He was a greedy dog and never satisfied with whatever he had. On one particular day, he managed to snatch a piece of bone from a butcher's shop and ran away to eat it in peace. On the way, he came across a river. He was very curious, so holding the bone, he peeped into the river. He was astonished when he saw his reflection, but he thought that it was another dog with a bone. As this dog was greedy, he wanted that bone too. So he opened his mouth and started barking in the hopes that the other dog would get scared and leave his bone behind. But, as soon as he opened his mouth, his bone fell into the river and started floating away. The dog then got upset that in his greed to get the second bone, he lost his own bone. Moral: do not be greedy.